Hello friends, nice to meet you. In this video we are discussing switch configuration in the Cisco packet tracer. So first we need to select switch. So we need to go to network device and click here to switches, and here I am select 2960 series 240. This is my switch 0. Then I am select some end devices like PC and laptop. Here I am select PC and then laptop. Then go to connections and throw out the automatic connection cable. I am connected switch to PC, and next switch to laptop. So here I am create a small LAN network. Then I am going to switch. Just here we need to click here. Then a pop-up window will be open here. Here we can see physical config, CLI and attribute part. So here we need to click CLI. This is command line interface, and just I am zoom here and two time enter. So this is my switch, and here this is the switch is exec mode. We need to go to privilege mode. So just we need to enter enable. So it means our switch is exec mode to extra privilege exec mode will be coming here, right? The next command is configure terminal. So this is the short command. If you want to complete command, then it is configure terminal. Help of this command we are enter the global configuration mode, right? The next command is host name switch 1. Help of this command we can see change the switch name. Here just I am enter switch 1. So first my switch name is switch, then my switch name is switch 1. So if you want to change your switch name, then you can use host name. Then my next command is no IP domain and lookup. Help of this command we can stop the switch from trying to access and resolve mistype command and host name, correct? The next command is enable, and here secret cret, and here we need to enter password. This is the switch password, right? So here I am enter Kapil, right? So our password is completely set up. In the next time you are enable switch, then you need to enter password. So just make sure you are enter correct password, and also you remember, right? The next command is banner, MOTD. These all are the switch configuration part. So unauthorized, THORIZ ED, okay, SNE, GD, access, and prohibited, right? And then you need to enter. Showing a message of the day when someone log in. This is mainly used for legal and security notice. So this is the command for switch configuration. The next command is interface VLAN 1. So help of this command we are configure the interface part of VLAN 1. By default VLAN is 1 and his name is default. If you want to see how many VLAN is enabled here, just click here to show VLAN. Okay, so just come here outside, and here we need to click here to show VLAN. Then here I can see my first VLAN name is default and it is active, and these all are part insert here, right? So part we can see how we can show VLAN, right? Then we need to enter enable and configure terminal again, and interface. If you don't need to complete like interface, enter direct and click here to enter VLAN 1. Okay, and VLAN 1 like this. Then we need to enter IP address 192.168 and 1.2, and here I need to enter 255.255.0, right? And next command is no shutdown. Don't worry, I am explain these all are commands, right? So First we need to enter the IP. This is the switch management IP. Here I am enter 192.168.1.2. So we can ping and manage it. The next command is no shutdown command. It is bring VLAN interface up, right? Next is default gateway. How we are set up the router at the switch. So here we need to enter IP default, and next is gateway. Gateway, and here we need to enter our router address. Okay, 192.168.1.1. So if you have router, then you need to set up your router for this command IP default gateway. Then you need to enter your router IP. So basically it is used for router gateway IP. So help of this command, our switch can communicate outside to the local network, right? If you want to exit, then click here to exit. You can exit here, something like that. And if you want to just save your configuration, if our switch is reboot, then we need to enter right memory, MEMORY. So help of this command, we are save the memory for running to config mode and startup to config mode, so it's remained after reboot, right? So in this video we are discussing the configuration of the given switch, a name, login, security name, banner, management IP, and how to save the these all are things. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubt, then write down your comment. I will answer your question, right? Thank you so much.